Good afternoon and welcome yet to another video. Today we're going to install something on the R1300GS. Of course, this bike is filled with features, and one of those features is a really nice graphic kit from Dab Rabbit, some nice lights from Lone Rider, rack from Lone Rider, as an SC Project exhaust, and many more. But we are missing one important thing, and that is the Roadlok. So this is the lock. I've made a video about this a while ago on my V100 Mandela S, and now it's time to install it on the BMW. So first let's unpack it, because let me come a little bit closer. It is a really nice thing for the GS, and this time we went for red, so no black. Normally I always do black, because better be safe than sorry. But this time I thought, okay, now it would be nice to go for a really nice red one. The reason why I keep getting these Roadloks is because I think it's the best solution for your bike to keep it safe. The thing is, with a Roadlok, it saves your bike, not only from theft, but also from your own stupidity. Because I have to be honest, one time I put a normal lock in my on my disc, and I wanted to go away and I forgot, so I pushed it down, pushed it back, and I wrecked my front fender. And in some cases you can even drop your bike. So it is really nice to have this option, so there's no chance of forgetting, because you cannot move the bike with the Roadlok, so you cannot fall, you cannot wreck anything. Also, what is really nice is that it looks really good, especially now in the red color. Of course, they also have a gold one and a black one. I'm not sure, maybe also a blue one, I'm not sure. And you always have a lock on your bike. So that's also a really nice thing to have, because sometimes you forget it, or you have a discussion with your insurance company that you don't have a lock on your bike, can you prove it? But in this case you always have it with you, there is no excuse. So let's install it. Looks already awesome. So biggest spacers, the ring, there you go. And of course you need to get the right amount of torque, but I will do that later. Push it in. Now it's on, pop your uncle. What's also nice is that you can just put your pin in this locker. This is of course in combination with the GS 1300 and the GSA from 1250 or 1200 or the 1300. Absolutely awesome. So that's it for this video. We've installed the Roadlok lock, and again, the same as the last time, I'm extremely happy with this. So I highly recommend this product. If you are interested in this product, please use my link down below, and I will get a little kickback of it, and you get a really nice product. So we're both happy, right? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. If you want to see my newest video, tap here. If you want to see my recommended video for you, tap here. And if you want to subscribe, tap here. Thanks for watching. Tap here, or tap here.